Life is unpredictable. People disappoint us. Plans fail. The ancient Stoics believed that peace doesn't come from controlling life, it comes from controlling your response. Today, I'll share 5 simple Stoic rules that can change the way you think, feel, and live. Rule 1. Control what you can and ignore the rest. Stoicism teaches that some things are within our control: our thoughts, our actions, and our decisions. And some things are not: other people, the past, luck, or outcomes. Stress begins when we try to control what we can't. Peace begins when we focus only on what we can. Ask yourself daily, is this in my control? If not, let it go. Rule 2. Your mind creates your suffering. Events themselves are neutral. It is our judgment that makes them painful. The Stoics believed, it's not what happens to you, but how you think about it. Change your interpretation, and you change your experience. Train your mind, and suffering slowly loses its power. Rule 3. Expect difficulties before they happen. The Stoics practiced imagining problems before they arrived. Not to worry, but to prepare. When difficulties come, you don't panic. You calmly say to yourself, I knew this could happen. This turns obstacles into training, not trauma. Rule 4. Live according to values, not emotions. Emotions are temporary, values are stable. Stoicism teaches us to act with wisdom, courage, justice, and self-discipline, even when emotions are strong. True strength is doing the right thing, especially when it's hard. Rule 5. Remember that life is temporary. One day, everything you worry about today will be gone. The Stoics reflected on death not to be sad, but to live fully. When you remember life is short, you waste less time, you argue less, and you live more intentionally. Gratitude replaces fear. Stoicism isn't about suppressing emotions. It's about mastering them. Start with just one rule today, and slowly, your life will begin to change. If this helped you, like the video and follow for more Stoic wisdom.